Welcome to this tutorial on how to log into your account in Zometric multi-module, multi-user instance. First, head over to the Zometric URL assigned to your company or organization. You can usually find this URL in the top navigation on the homepage of www.zometric.com. Now we are on the tenant lookup page of Zometric. Here, the first thing you'll need to do is enter your organization's tenant ID. This is typically the name of your company or a part of it. If you're not sure about your tenant ID, simply check with an admin in your organization. For this example, I'll enter Demo and click on Go to Tenant. Next, you'll be directed to the login page. Here, enter your username and password. Your username is usually your email address, written in all lowercase letters. If you've forgotten your password, no worries. Just click on the Forgot Password link, enter your email address, and you'll receive a password reset email with instructions. Once you've reset your password, head back to the login page, enter your username and new password, and click on Login. And that's it. You're now logged into your Zometric instance. Thanks for watching, and happy using.